Yeah. Look, can you see it? It's a dumpster. A full-size dumpster floating down the river. I know a few people out to take a ride in that thing. Lord have mercy. Look at this stuff, guys. I'm out here trying to get this stuff up. I need to take my lawnmower out from under the deck. A few weeks ago when we flooded, it came up to, I don't know, I'd say about where the, I don't know, about where the front of this lawnmower was at. And that took, I don't know, a week for the river to rise. Well, what you're looking at now is 2 days worth of rain. That's it. That's how much rain we have gotten in this part of Kentucky. This is central Kentucky. And Lord knows what would have happened if all this rain hit southeast Kentucky and came this way, because this river flows northwest. And so I am to the northwest of the Great Appalachian Mountains.